Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use discount coupons on Eneba. So this is very simple steps, so make sure to follow the steps correctly so that you don't make any mistakes. So simply go to your browser and search for Eneba like this. Also you can just search for Eneba discounts and you will see a lot of discount coupon sites. For example, this one, just go to any discount coupons and here you can see there's a codes like you can get 5% gift cards off on descriptions. You can get 5% of gift cards and subscriptions. You can get 30% of video games. Just copy the code and head over to the Eneba's official website and then paste it to Eneba. Also you can check other sites from here, like there are a lot of coupon codes from here. You can get a good amount of discounts. Just go there and copy the paste and also you can tap on to get coupon and you will be able to take the coupon codes, and make sure that the coupon codes are available because sometimes expired coupon codes also be shown on these sites, so be careful about that. And that's it. This is as simple as that. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye. See you in the next video.